So luckily I was able to survive. But now I'm making a sequel to my other movie. So this time I'm gonna capture another. Get in the truck now! Oh no, not this time. This time I have a Pokemon to defend me. Go, Pokemon! Scraggy, Scraggy! Oh yeah, Scraggy, take him down with your headbutt attack. I should take him down with your headbutt attack. Alright, return, Scraggy. Go, Jakemon. Jakemon. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Jakemon. Use awesome attack. Oh yeah. Oh no. Jakemon rolled into the back of the truck. The wild Truckmon is taking Jakemon away. No, don't take him away, please. Dang it. Jakemon vanished.